Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I want us to have a look at this question. Basically, the question is evaluate 1 over 2, close the bracket, raised to x times, that is 1 over 8, close the bracket, raised to 1 minus x equals to 32. Now, basically, when they say evaluate, that means solve for the value of x, because the unknown here is x. Therefore, we want to proceed and solve for the value of x. Now, the first thing that we shall do in this is that instead of writing 1 over 2, we can just write 2 raised to negative 1. 2 raised to negative 1. Then we close our bracket, raised to x, this x. So 1 over 2 is just 2 raised to negative 1. Then times, instead of writing 1 over 8, that is from the law of indices that I've taught earlier, you write 8 raised to negative 1. Then we close the bracket, then raised to 1 minus x. Then we equate with this 32 that we have been given. Now, the next step is that from the law of indices, if we have this as the power and also this as the power, this one is outside this bracket. This one is a power and this one is a power. This one is a power and this one is a power. So for this one, we shall say this power times this power. So it will be 2 raised to negative 1 times x, which is negative x. Then I write this multiplication, this one. Then we have 8 raised to negative 1, that is negative 1, times 1 minus x. Then we close the bracket, equals to 32. Now, let us ensure that all the bases are the same. But before we ensure that all the bases are the same, we want to open the bracket here. So in this case, we have 2 raised to negative x, then multiply by, this is 8 raised to negative 1 times 1, it is negative 1. Negative 1 times negative x, it will be positive x. Then equals to 32. Now, we can ensure that all the bases are the same. So we shall have 2 raised to negative x, then times, we can write 8 as a base of 2. 2 raised to 3 is 8. Therefore, we can say 2 raised to 3 is 8. Then we have also this power, which is negative 1 plus x. Then we close the bracket, we equate with 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5. Therefore, we can say that we have 2 raised to negative x, then times 2 raised to negative 3, then plus, because we are opening the bracket, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. 3 times positive x is positive 3x. Then we equate with 2 raised to 5. Now, since all the bases are the same, then on our left-hand side, we can, if we consider these bases, that this and this are the same, then we combine the powers by adding them, because there is a multiplication sign in between. Therefore, we have negative x plus, we have negative 3 plus 3x equals to this power, which is 5. Therefore, we have this as negative x plus 3x is 2x. Then we have minus 3 equals to 5. Then we can collect the like terms by taking 3 to the other side. Therefore, if this 3 crosses this equal sign, it becomes positive. Therefore, we have 2x equals to 8. And in this case, we have by 2 by 2, And finally, the value of x is just 4. The value of x is 4. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how we can solve this question, or we can evaluate for the value of x in this question. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Have a good day.